Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Hyundai Tucson tire pressure light. First, ensure all your tires are properly inflated to the manufacturer's recommended pressure. You can find this specific PSI listed on a sticker inside your driver's side door jamb. Having the correct pressure is the crucial first step before attempting any reset. Often, simply driving your Tucson can reset the tire pressure monitoring system. After ensuring your tires are correctly inflated, drive your vehicle at a speed of 50 miles per hour or more for about 10 to 15 minutes. This sustained speed helps the system sensors to recalibrate and recognize the updated tire pressures, which should then turn off the warning light. If driving doesn't work, your Tucson might have a manual reset button. This button is typically located under the steering wheel or in the glove box. With your ignition turned to the on position, but without starting the engine, press and hold this TPMS reset button for approximately 5 seconds until the light flashes 3 times. Then, start your engine. If the tire pressure light remains on after trying these steps, it's important to recheck your tire pressures with a trusted gauge. A persistent light could signal a more significant issue, such as a damaged TPMS sensor or a system malfunction. In such cases, it's best to consult your owner's manual or visit a certified service center for a professional diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.